Well, there's nothing else in here, so we'll put that to the side. Oh, look at this. This beautiful, beautiful thing here. Pretty nice, actually. Look at that. Full-size SD card. This side up. Nice. Look at all the clips. Clip down. Everything. There's a little thing. There's a little thing. There's a plug to the deal. Power switch off to the side. Hopefully, I won't have to change anything, because I wouldn't even know where even to start on this little machine. Oh, okay, here. On the back side, there's a, to change it from 220 to 15 amp. Go ahead and change that right now. There we go. Really nice. Got some bed clips. I guess where you could take off the glass. It goes off and on. There's some plastic on here to protect the glass. The bed is not wobbly or anything like that, so that's good. I guess the LCD screen goes here because there's no cover for that. There's a little clicker off for the bed. That's really nice. Look at that. How they put this together. I mean, that is professionally. That is nice. That is really nice. Well, let's see if we can at least get some of this put together somehow. See, let's look at the manual. The manual. Shouldn't be too hard. So this is recommended to Creality slicing software. Blah blah blah. Let's see here. Alright, cool. Cool. Yeah. Doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff for this. You would think there would be more tools or something else in the box, but there isn't. Let's see. Let's open this thing up. See what the manual has to say. Okay, let's see what the manual has to say. Alright, so let's see here. Here's all the instructions. Yeah, the screen will go right there in front. SD card, spool holder, gantry. This is what should be all in the box. Tools. Tools should be in this little drawer here. Look at there. Look at there. scraper. Some stickers from Creality. Clean out needle for the nozzle. The wrench for changing out the nozzle. All the little parts right there. Nice little Allen wrench set. Crescent. Actually a real crescent. Wow. Some nippers. And the SD card right there. That is so sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. So we're going to put that off to the side. Oh, stickers off to the side. Nozzle, bed, and clips. So you put two screws at the bottom. Make sure these are up just a little bit. Bottom profile. Match those up. Tighten them down. So we're going to install the frame, looks like. Well, I don't have like 6 arms, so this is going to be fun. Fun. But let's see here. What do we need? Need the bolts. Yep, that bag. Like that bag. And go ahead and open it up. Those are it. This should be it. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I need to do is invest in a camera stand. I can put my camera on the stand instead of holding it. I have something at my shop, but I'm not at the shop right now, to make something 3D printed for a camera stand. So this is going to have to be what it's going to be. So here we go. So we got the little 4 bolts for this part. Move this over a little bit. And do I need to move some wires around or anything like that? It just says that I need that. Okay, well, there's a wire over here, so I might just go ahead and just move that over to there. We'll bunch up the deals here and there. Once we get it in place, then we'll take off the tape for that. There should be one over here, one right there, so that should be good. Let's get this part, and it's saying it wants guessing something like that. So it's gonna look like that. That's gonna look nice. Make sure there's nothing pinching before we start doing anything. And Yeah. Okay. So, I need 2 hands. Trying to. Alright, here we go. If I could get. Maybe? Yeah. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, now I could have 2 hands. So, we'll go ahead and get the Allen wrenches out. I'm using the phone for my little stand here. Let's see what size this is going to be. The bigger one. So, I gotta use this Allen wrench for this. Let's get this going. Man, this is gonna be really nice. Probably scoot it off to the side right now. Probably won't see anything, but that's alright. Make sure that this is going to be in the right spot. And I think so. We're just going to tighten it up just a little bit just to get it going. Not too tight. Making sure everything looks good. Lines up. I thought I was going to have to build a bunch of stuff on this one, but just comes really quick. Alright. Push it to the other side. Get the other side real quick. Dip, 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 dip. Get this going. Well, how's everybody doing while I'm doing this? Hope everybody's alright. And I hope that if you got one of these machines that came in pretty soon for you, this one came in pretty soon for me. This was on the Kickstarter. Corality's, on the Corality's Kickstarter. And got it at a little bit cheaper than what Banggood is selling it for. I think Banggood is selling it for $3.99 or something like that. But I got it when it was the Kickstarter just barely started, so it's up there in, like, not the very first person to get one, but at least first couple hundred or maybe 1,000 people to get one. Tighten this up real good on this side, then I'll go back on the other side and tighten it up. It's like just like a regular CR10s. Simple, simple, simple. Easy build. It's supposed to be a self-leveling 3D printer. They don't have the little knobs at the bottoms. Do the other side now again. side. And let's see. For the people that just barely watching this, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I don't have that many videos on YouTube, but my second channel is on CocoScope under Alien Destination. So if you don't see it here, you will also see it there. There's a couple of videos that are not on YouTube, but it's actually over there. I like CocoScope. I've been using CocoScope. It's almost like a YouTube channel. Almost a year or so now. So, but it don't pay anything, just like YouTube, because I don't have that many subscribers and stuff like that. Okay, now we got that. Now let's see what else we need to do. It says, let's see here. Alright. So we're going to go to the next page. The next page saying that we'll go ahead and install the LCD. And then spool holder. After that, then the handle. And then we'll start putting all of these little connections on. And it'll go through the first part of making sure it's all leveled. Alright, so next is this LCD. And I need these little boogers. Should be 4 of those, it looks like. But we're only going to be using 2. Well, is this the same Allen wrench? Nope. But of course not. It's the second one. So let's put that one back and get the second one out. So we're going to be using these little screws and this other, the second Allen wrench to start putting it together. So, and we have our LCD. Oh, nice. I mean, look, they put a backing on there and everything, so yes. Now it's saying to put it like this way. Go ahead. Oops. I gotta find it. Where did it go? Can't go that far. Oh, I lost that screw. Right? Can't go that far. Lost a screw down here on the floor. But right. We'll get another one. Okay. So this gets tied onto this. And let's go ahead and put that somewhere right there. Get it going. I'm hoping that they gave me more than just one extra screw. Or if not, I'm going to have to find that one. pretty sure they do, but let's get this going here first. Get this going. It's on. Make sure, yeah, it's going to be away from the build plate. Alright, now we're going to need to go ahead and install the arm and spool holder next. So, we'll move some stuff around. Some of this stuff up here. Let's see here. Got that. Plug. And spool holder. So, got the spool holder and the little deal here. This is pretty nice, actually. They have little grooves. They have little grooves in here, so you could turn it into here, so you don't have a locking mechanism, which is really nice, actually. So once it's locked in place, you just basically just put it which way you want. If you didn't like it that way, and if you wanted to spool on the other side, all you have to do is just undo it, put it on the other side of it. It's really neat. And it has a sway bar, so you can sway it right on out of the way. Now, the question is, it looks like it's going on this side of the printer, looks like. Yeah, because of the there. Wondering if you have to take off one of these little sides to actually slide it in, because it has like the arm and then a little grappler, and the little arm is where you can actually slide it in. But let's go ahead and should we go ahead and just put it right there? Put it right there for right now. It's showing that this is on the other side. So we'll put it like how they do it. And that should be it for that. Looks like they look like they button it up all the way to the edge. So we'll just do the same thing there. So far we have the screen on, the little bar on, and now we can put the little handle, if we could find the other screw that we're missing. So I guess I'm gonna have to be looking for it. Oh shoot. Do some stuff around, I guess. It's gone too far. Gone too far. I've got carpet and I should be able to see it, unless it disappeared and went into a black hole, never to be found. Millions of things. Where could be at? Well, looks like it's MIA. Missing in action. Well, that's alright. We'll put the handle on later. I don't want to be here forever. Okay, so looks like we'll put the handle on after that, and then we could take the plate off, remove the plastic, and then we could tighten up the belt if we needed to. It's pretty tight already. That's pretty tight too. This is pretty nice. So nothing really loose. Nothing really much loose here. Go ahead and we're gonna just start putting these little deals on. So we got Z1 and Z2. So Z1 is here. Let's get it real quick. So Z and Z1 or Z2, Z1 and Z2 are here. So there's supposed to be 2 plugs. So there's one here. Looks like maybe it'll go. There's one underneath. Maybe it'll go to that one. Push that one closer. Let's see what this says. Take that tape off. And this says Z2. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to plug it in right there. So that's plugged in right there. And I'll go ahead and take this one off. That should be Z1. Make sure if it says Z1, it says Z1. And we'll go ahead and plug it into, yeah, right there. Right here. It's a little close to this other wire. That's alright. We'll make it work. It's pretty close. Oh, come on. Hold on. Get around. Plug this one in. A lot better angle. So that should be it. Alrighty. Now we have a plug right here, and that get untaped. Looks like, and we'll plug it into. This one plugs into this one right here, and then there's something here. Looks like. We'll wait off on that one, because I know I've seen something, one of these little bags that had something for that, and that's right here. Maybe that goes on onto that, which